In Islam, wealth is a gift from God. It is bestowed upon us not merely for our own benefit, but as a means to serve a greater purpose. This wealth is a trust, a sacred responsibility that we must handle with care and wisdom. It is a trust, not to be hoarded or squandered. Instead, it should be used to create a positive impact on the world around us. Hoarding wealth leads to stagnation, while sharing it brings growth and prosperity to the community. We are caretakers, entrusted with using our blessings to uplift others. By sharing our wealth, we can help those in need, provide for the less fortunate, and create opportunities for others to thrive. This act of giving is not just charity, it is a fulfillment of our duty as stewards of God's gifts. Our wealth carries a responsibility, a duty to alleviate suffering and share our good fortune. When we use our resources to help others, we are not only improving their lives but also enriching our own. The joy and satisfaction that come from helping others are immeasurable. Imagine a world where every smile is a prayer answered. A world where acts of kindness and generosity are the norm, not the exception. This vision can become a reality if we all commit to using our wealth for the greater good, where a simple act of giving brings light to someone's life. Even the smallest gesture can have a profound impact. A meal for the hungry, a helping hand for the struggling, or a kind word for the weary can make all the difference. This is the potential we hold when we use our wealth for good. Our possessions are temporary. They come and go, but the impact we make on others' lives is lasting. The legacy we leave behind is defined by how we use our resources to make the world a better place. Our impact on others is everlasting. The seeds of kindness and generosity we plant today will grow and flourish long after we are gone. By investing in people and communities, we create a ripple effect that can change the world for the better. Let's strive to leave a legacy of kindness, generosity, and compassion. Let us be remembered not for the wealth we accumulated, but for the lives we touched and the positive change we inspired. In this way, we honor the trust of wealth bestowed upon us. Two fundamental pillars of Islam guide our approach to wealth: zakat and sadaqah. These concepts are not just about financial transactions, they are about nurturing a sense of community and responsibility. They remind us that our wealth is a trust from Allah, meant to be shared with those in need. Zakat, mandatory charity, purifies our wealth and uplifts the less fortunate. It is a means to cleanse our earnings and ensure that the blessings we receive are shared with those who are less privileged. By giving zakat, we acknowledge that our wealth is not solely ours, but a gift that must be distributed fairly. It is a fixed portion, a small sacrifice that yields immense rewards. The act of giving zakat fosters a sense of empathy and solidarity within the community. It bridges the gap between the rich and the poor, creating a more balanced and just society. Sadaqah, voluntary charity, encompasses every act of kindness, big or small. Unlike zakat, sadaqah is not obligatory but is highly encouraged. It can be as simple as offering a smile to someone who is having a bad day, or helping a neighbor with their groceries. A smile, a helping hand, a donation to those in need, each act is a seed of compassion. Sadaqah is about spreading love and kindness in every possible way. It teaches us that even the smallest gestures can have a profound impact on someone's life. Imagine the collective impact if every act of giving was a drop in the ocean of humanity. Each drop, though small, contributes to a vast and powerful force for good. When we all participate in acts of charity, we create a ripple effect that can transform entire communities. Together we can create a wave of change, washing away poverty, hunger, and despair. By embracing the principles of zakat and sadaqah, we can build a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Let us be the change we wish to see, one act of kindness at a time. When we extend a hand to help another, the impact goes beyond the immediate act. It creates a ripple effect, touching countless lives in ways we may never fully comprehend. A small act of charity can spark hope in the hearts of many. It can inspire others to give, creating a chain of generosity that uplifts entire communities. Imagine the joy of knowing that your generosity helped provide healthcare, education, or simply a warm meal for someone in need. This is the transformative power of compassion. Section 4. A life more meaningful. The pursuit of wealth solely for personal gain can leave us feeling empty. True fulfillment comes from using our blessings to make a difference in the world. When we prioritize helping others, we discover a deeper purpose. Our wealth becomes a source of joy, not just for ourselves but for those whose lives we touch. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your hard work and generosity contributed to a better world. That is a legacy worth striving for. Section 5. The Prophet's Example, a Legacy of Generosity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplified a life of generosity. He was known for his compassion, always willing to share what little he had with those in need. His teachings remind us that true wealth lies not in material possessions but in good deeds and a heart filled with love for humanity. Let us follow his example, embracing simplicity, kindness, and a commitment to uplifting the less fortunate. Let us make his legacy our own. Section 6. Beyond material possessions. True wealth extends beyond the accumulation of material possessions. It encompasses spiritual richness, strong relationships, and a life filled with purpose. When we prioritize giving back to others, we cultivate gratitude, humility, and a deeper connection to our faith. Let us not be defined by what we own, but by the positive impact we have on the world around us. Let us strive for a legacy built on compassion, not accumulation. Section 7. Wealth, a blessing, not a burden. Wealth, when viewed through the lens of Islamic teachings, becomes a blessing, not a burden. It is not merely about accumulating riches or material possessions. Instead, it is about how we use these resources to benefit others and ourselves. The true essence of wealth in Islam is to see it as a trust from God, a means to achieve greater good and to support those in need. It is an opportunity to earn God's favor by serving His creation. By sharing our wealth, we can help alleviate the suffering of others, provide for the less fortunate, and contribute to the overall well-being of our communities. Acts of charity and kindness are highly valued, and they bring us closer to God and to each other. Let us use our blessings wisely, remembering that our true worth is measured by our character and our commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Wealth should not be a source of pride or arrogance, but a tool for fostering love, compassion, and unity among people. It is through our actions and intentions that we can create a lasting impact. Let us build a world where wealth is a means to uplift humanity, where it is used to create opportunities for growth, education, and development. By investing in our communities and supporting initiatives that promote social justice, we can ensure that wealth serves as a catalyst for positive change, where every act of generosity brings us closer to a more just and compassionate society. Together, we can transform wealth from a mere accumulation of assets into a powerful force for good, bridging gaps and building a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.